Remember I tell you, it's already filming?
Yeah.
Okay. I tell you the 13 principles fit into each level, each form. Each form, you will differ 13 principles, a different understanding. But they are same 13 principles. But in the beginning, you already know what it's about. Like in SiuNimTau, how they link to that 13th principle, and Chun, how they link to the 13th principle. They all have different point of view to look at. Okay, now, last time we do the form already. Okay, remember in Wing Chun, the final thing, what we want to develop is based on natural ability, natural motion. Okay, do not emphasize nothing. Okay, that's what I call 0 point. The 0 point will be adjustable to any situation, will be different point, but that also a 0 point. Okay, the respect very important. One of the martial art rule, we have to respect each other. Like what I mean by respect, for example, if you go to civil school, yeah, because that's a school you're civil teaching, okay, then you're okay. You can come in to become friend. But if you go into another school, you have to respect yourself. Don't just go in just like you go to your ordinary school. Just you have to be respectful to the one who is teaching. Then you have to ask permission, wait till them say, invite you to come in, then you go in. They call respect of yourself. Don't go in the art school, just go inside the practice area, sit down and watch people doing. That means you don't show your own respect. And then everybody won't respect you. Okay, that's called respect. Understand what I'm talking about? What's the mean by small idea? SiuNimTau means small idea. Now, in the whole mind, inside your mind, just like a small universe, there's a lot of different seeds inside you already, but it's waiting for you to discover. Now, small idea have two. One internal idea, one is called external little idea. Okay, that means I practice by myself, I develop fireworks idea inside me. Now, when I do with people, sticky hand with people, now I firework the idea externally. Now, external, internal put together, that makes it work. You cannot just say, I get the idea, but you don't find out the external idea, how to put them together, it doesn't work. In Wing Chun, internal and external work together. Now, in SiuNimTau, we call small idea. That means that we start in the beginning. We know now. We all know all the ideas there. How do I find them? Find those ideas, stick it out, and make it work? It go through the form. SiuNimTau, go to Chun. Now I can see another idea, put them in the SiuNimTau form, make it develop bigger and bigger. Okay? And each form, it gives you more idea how to discover that small idea out. All right, now, the form, the first part of the SiuNimTau form is not develop how you punch and hit people. It's develop how you protect yourself first. That's why in SiuNimTau, number one thing, when I do the form one-handed, but the left hand had to be in the left side of the body. Right hand, do everything is right side of the body. I'm not going to put my left hand in the right side or right hand to the left side. Like for example, my hand, two hands, that's my center line. The hand, one line, the tip of the line right here. That tip right here, you can see the triangle? If I put together, that is my center line. Two hands, left hand on the left side, right hand on the right side. Okay, I don't put like this. That is the right hand on the left side too much. The center line right here. Without the same thing. How you find this tip of the line? Let's see, let me give you some idea. The hand. I'm putting center of my hand to the tip right here. You can see, right? That's straight line. That's the tip. Okay, this is a tensile based on this. This is my center line. Now, tensile is not for the motion to block people. It's the tensile position to secure my shield. That's why when I do the form, I know my line automatically push out from the both side triangle, go in to this line. That's for center line. Come back out, same thing. Come back in, that's my line. Going out, that's my line. Now you know how to find the center line. That's what you have to develop. Find the natural position, doing touch without touching. That create the natural tension all over the hand. If you touch or without touching like that, too far open, that have no tension at all, too weak. That's too tight. That's perfect. Touch without touching. That create the tension, natural tension between the hand and the body. That means they are equally tension. That's very important. If you don't do that, you just do the form like that, very tight, you never develop that kind of function. You have to understand what you're doing first. Positive, negative side, too tight or too loose, you have to find the middle. Okay, that's the way you have to look. No matter what subject I talk from now on, you got to see both sides. Power, like power we talked about earlier. The power, two sides. One's too tight, become called steel bar power. One's too loose, called elastic power. That two the power doesn't work. You have to find the center. The center called retain power. Okay, that's what you work. That's called 0 point. That means you lose when you have to lose, you tight when you have to tight. That is balance of the steel bar and elastic. So far you understand how to develop the center line and how you develop, find the center, find the straight line or the elbow line. Okay, that's why when you do the elbow line from here, this straight line from the shoulder right here, that's a straight line. Okay, do not go like this. That's not a straight line. Straight line is right here. Okay, straight line right here. That means this triangle plane is perpendicular to the ground. That becomes a line. Like this is not a line. Because if you do the form like this, elbow out, that means the head individually support by itself. The body won't back you up. But right now, this example I create for you to learn. I don't know if that fits you or not, but I hope it will. Go home, think about it more. Okay? Time go fast. Next time we keep going.